I'll be conducting a workshop on API documentation and tools along with Kameshwara and Tapas Adhikary on behalf of TechWritePro ITCI. So you all know that there's a big history of help authoring tools starting from RoboHelp in 98 until the README and developerhub.io in these times. So there is a big changing landscape from we started with Windows help, HTML, etc. and coming to single sourcing in 2010 and right now we are into delivering API documentation tool for the products. Now we have so many startups where there is limited resources and it is fast paced, and we have companies where CI/CD is required. So you need to know the latest tools which is on API document, which is useful for delivering API documentation, and also the capabilities of doing the mockups of API calls within the documentation output itself. So it is very important for you to know the latest tools and update yourself with the changing landscape in documentation tools in the tech writing industry. So you would have noticed Ramesh Aiyyangar's earlier post that the average salary of technical writer in case of API documentation, it's as high as around 20 lakhs per year. So you need to get started in this area and update yourself so that you will be able to highlight your skills in the resume.